Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. ICE Brent futures, Brent crude oil futures. A gapping higher, but since filled in, second bullish white soldier and suitable follow-on higher to the previous session's immediate countering bullish harami yesterday. The market rose up through the April 2019 high at 75.58, but was stopped short of testing the overhead combination of the 50% Fibonacci line of the April 2021 to March 2022 move at 77.54. as well as the middle time in purple, that's currently at 77.62, of the significant late September to date bearish shift pitchfall. Overall, there are a number of patterns operational here, all at the same time. An old one is we have the big old three gapping move lower from the heights of late September to end of November. Then there is the mid-October to date bearish halfway hesitation pattern. Not a great example of one, but still valid. Potential down in the 71 even zone. Next, there is the immediate pattern of a possible late November to date bear flag, though this may be turning into a mini diamond pattern. This is actually forming at the moment, but the bear flag might have potential down as far as the 68.5 zone below, though it needs some work on it to ascertain if it is true. Then there's also the big late July to early November lopsided head and shoulders top pattern, with a secondary target target X potential down to the 69.90 zone. Finally, there is the previously mentioned big late September to date bearish shift pitchfall, highlighted in purple on my daily chart. This pattern has guided the market down effectively since its start, mainly between the lower time, currently at 71.22, and the middle time, currently at 77.62. It continues to do so. So far today, not much, a smaller attempt higher, but we are still within yesterday's range, and we still have the 50% Fibonacci line and middle time combination overhead and the April 2019 high below, followed by the combination of the September 2019 high at 71.99 and the 2021 high at 71.75, and then the lower time in purple. Spot gold. A second bullish white soldier yesterday and a suitable follow-on higher to the previous session's significant combination of a key reversal up and a bullish closing long white Mariposa, which was based on the important recent 50% Fibonacci line at 1972. I previously highlighted this 50% Fibonacci as being important, as this 50% Fibonacci was not alone. You see just below we have the November 2020 high at 1965, then the combination of the 2021 high at 1959 and the rising short medium moving average currently 1967, and finally slowly rising long moving average currently 1956. Overall, the market made a good impression of heading lower from the recent August to date ascending expanding wedge pattern currently at 2039 to 2057, which is highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart. But as I said 2 days ago, and I quote, I'm still cautious about the break lower as it is still close enough to be classified as a possible false break. So please just be aware, end of quote. Yesterday move up repenetrated the broken dark blue highlighted lower bull trend line, currently at 2043, let's say 2039 actually, of the August to date ascending wedge pattern. Now so far today, a further attempt higher, up to the broken lower trend line in dark blue on my daily chart of the August to a date ascending wedge pattern. I cannot stress how important this simple wedge pattern is right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.